do you guys know that you can actually mount your TV outdoors without even drilling? Yes, you can now with the Zebozap outdoor TV mount. Alright, this TV mount is fully outdoor rated, which means you could expose this TV to outdoor weathers. Alright, and you do not have to use any drill because this TV mount is built with these straps. Okay, and then there is this ratchet. Right, there are two, one on the top and one on the bottom, and this TV mount is gonna hold your TV, and there is this beautiful motion to it. Alright guys, look at that. You can actually turn your TV 360 degrees and watch it from anywhere. Right? So then you could also put your TV like this, and look at that. And besides that, there's also one more motion to this TV mount. You can actually tilt your TV up. Alright, tilt your TV up like this. So this TV mount is really good, because the best thing about this TV mount is obviously that you do not have to drill any holes to actually mount your TV. Alright, do check out more info about this TV mount and get yours right now.